Subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
What is a tari? A tari is basically a nice flavorful curry in which you can cook your meats as well as vegetables. Let's not get into more details of it and let's cook the tari wala chicken. For that, I have taken 300 grams of onions which I have sliced and fried them deep golden. We're going to grind this along with a few spices. I'm going to take seeds of 5 green cardamoms, 5 cloves, seeds of 2 black cardamoms, 1 mace, a small piece of nutmeg, a tablespoon of anardana, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 1 inch of cinnamon. I'm going to grind this without using any water. So I'm going to heat 5 tablespoons of oil. The oil is nice and hot. Let's fry the pieces of chicken. The flame is on a high. As you can see, the color of the chicken is changing. We need to make it a little more whitish before we add the rest of the ingredients. To this, let's add a tablespoon of garlic paste, a tablespoon of ginger paste, and let's saute it further for a minute. The flame is still on a high. To this, I'm going to add 300 grams of beaten yogurt, a tablespoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon of coriander seed powder. I'm going to add salt now to this, and then I'm going to cover it and cook it till it's almost done. I'm reducing the flame to a medium and we leave it for about 10 minutes to cook. We had kept this chicken to cook for 10 minutes on a medium flame. Now let's add the rest of the ingredients, that is the ground onion paste, just mix this really well. When we add the onion paste, the curry gets a nice body. It becomes slightly thick and the oil starts releasing as well. As you can see, the oil here. And I'm going to add a cup of water to this. Cover this and cook it till the chicken is done. We kept the chicken to cook for another 10 minutes and this is done. You can see the color of the gravy, the fragrance is just amazing. To make the curry more fragrant, you can add a teaspoon of kevra essence. This is optional. Mix this well. I'm super happy with this. Our chicken is done as well. Let's remove it in a serving bowl. This Tariwala chicken is ready to be served. It can be served with a hot steaming rice or with parathas of your choice. So do try this dish and let me know. For such quick recipes, subscribe to Get Curried.